It's been wet. And it's still going to be wet. I thought I'd come and you haven't seen the menagerie for a while. So I'm going down to let them out. It's about 9:15, I think. Hello, Mrs Sheep. Ça va? So Ludo cut this side of the hedge on Thursday, but the weather has stopped him carrying on. He's still got the other side to do. He was going to do it this morning, but the forecast was pretty poor. So it's coming Monday morning. No chestnuts worth picking up. Very small. She just ignores me. Just ignores me. So the chickens are looking particularly straggly as they're molting. Morning, boys and girls. Boy and girls. Morning. You coming out? See this black girl in the front here, her tail's practically gone with the molting, so she looks a bit foreshortened. No. You know better. Don't you, huh? I did this the other day. Walked towards her and she waved her foot at me, which is a warning. Don't know what it's a warning about because I ignored it. You're getting on a bit, Ida, aren't you? A bit grey round the muzzle. Come on. I have to wait for them to come out because I closed the door so Ida can't go in and eat chicken food. Come on then. I'm waiting just for you. I do this every morning. Stand waiting. I don't know what they're waiting for. She's waiting to see if I go back in and put corn down. Come on. And her tail, I can see, is not there so much. So they're all molting. We're getting one egg a day. Oh, come on. I want to close the door. Come on. No. You know better. Don't you? Huh? No sheep. Ida. That chicken is still standing in the doorway. Go on. Go on. Go on. Keep going. Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. Go. Should think so too. Oh, I've gone back in. Oh, come on. Out. Ooh, this is where I fall over. Everybody out. Not in, out. Go on. Go on. Dear me. oh, oh! Oh, you won't do that again, will you? Got her head caught. We nearly had chicken for dinner. Right. So Ida can't get in there. It's closed. I can leave now. They're very slow this morning. I've already had coffee. Obviously they've not had coffee. That's probably what the problem is. He's still walking like that, which he's walked like since since we've had him. I don't think the oil cured his legs, although we do need to oil them again, I think. He's very straggly. What a mess you are. Aren't you, huh? Definitely need to oil her back again. I think she's got some feathers that she's regrowing, but I'm not sure. I better do it soon. Keep meaning to do stuff, and it's like, where are we? It's Saturday. Mark goes into hospital in 8 days' time, a week tomorrow. I was complaining yesterday because I said, oh, the clocks go back that weekend. He went, oh, I'll be there an hour longer. So he goes in on the Sunday evening. They'll ring and tell him what time to be operated on Monday. Okay, I'm going back in. I need to go up before this lot come because I've left the gate open at the top. I don't want them coming through to the nearer the house so that they can spend the day pooing on the patio. Voila.